What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I am back on Lake Guntersville. I met up with my boy Andrew Nordbye. Tell him what's up.
What's going on, guys?
Today we're going to be doing a mystery tackle box slam. So he brought his July mystery tackle box. I brought my July mystery tackle box. We've both already opened them. I think mine's a little bit better than his. So we're going to do a little competition today. We're going to also try to do the slam, catch as many fish on all the lures if we can. And I'm going to have, there's the boxes right there. I know which one's mine, so don't run off of my box. So we're out here on a ledge. We're gonna see if we can catch them, and he's already got my box. I know that one's marked. That, bro, give me my box. No. All right, so we're gonna go down here on the ledge and see if we can get some of these fish. Do a mystery tackle box slam while we're here. Wish us luck. Stay tuned. All right.
What are you putting on, TJ?
I am gonna throw on the Gambler Crawl.
Let's check that out. Okay.
I think it'll do just as good as that Cinco you tied on. I'm gonna throw it on this jig.
All right. Sounds good. Sounds like a good plan. I don't think you're gonna catch as many as me though.
I'm gonna trim him down just a little bit. I'm gonna trim him down. That's a secret right there.
You always want to trim your trailers, folks.
You can't tell everybody that now. I'm gonna feed it on about right there. Slide it all the way up till it locks on. Look at that. Look, that's bass.
That looks really good, actually.
That is bass candy.
All right, let's get him.
All right, guys, I beat Nordbye to it. He's throwing the Cinco out of his box. I'm gonna be throwing the Gambler Crawl. I'm gonna get the first cast out before he even gets set up. Zing it. There he is. Got him.
Good one?
Yeah, that's a good one, Andrew.
Keep it down.
That's a good one, Andrew.
He's jumping.
Oh yeah, get the net for me.
I'll get the net. Good job, bro. Oh shoot, it's caught in the hook.
Oh no. Oh no. Here we go. Flipping him. Both flipped him. Woo! That is what I'm talking about, guys. Oh.
Dude, that's
look at that.
Yes.
It works. Wow. There's one down for the slam, Andrew.
Look at that.
Look at the fish,
Good
guys.
Thing we didn't go for the big one.
Yeah, you're right.
That's
what do you think, guys?
He's probably 3.
Yeah, he's good 3. She's a little flat.
I know.
Man, I like that, man. I like that. All right. So 2 to 1.
2 to 1.
I'm catching you. I'm catching you.
All right.
Oh, soaked us both. We're doing it. All right, I'm gonna get another one, man. I gotta catch you. There he is. I don't think he's got it. He's got it. Golly, I didn't think he was on, so I wasn't gonna set the hook. Oh, it's another tank. It's another tank, Andrew. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need the net. I got a stud. Stay down, baby. Stay down. No. Stay down.
The jig and the crawl. Huh?
Oh my goodness.
Really?
Yeah, this is a good one.
Really?
This is bigger. Oh my God!
Could it be your new PV?
It could be. Stay down, baby. I don't know how good the hook set is because I didn't think.
I don't know how good the drag is. Be prepared to let line out with your thumb.
All right, I'm bringing him up. Get him.
No way.
Oh, baby!
Look at that.
Oh my God.
There you go.
Hold on.
He got caught in the drop shot line I had down there.
Oh my God.
We're about to lose a rod.
All right, I got the rod.
Here, I'm gonna untangle him real quick.
Oh my goodness.
Good fish, bro. Oh, that came out so easy.
Yeah.
Wow. Dude.
Oh my God, guys. Hey, we're gonna have to get a weight on this, Andrew.
I got a scale, I think. That's a tank.
Guys, look at this. Look at this tank. All right, guys, check out this beast on the Gambler Crawl. On the Gambler Crawl out of this month's mystery tackle box. This is over 5. we're gonna get a weight on her real quick. Over five, Andrew. I'm calling it.
I think so. That's a big one.
I'm gonna say 5.5 to 6 pounds, guys. What do you think? Man, look at her, guys. All right.
Let me get the weight. Zeroing out the scale. All right.
We're gonna get her weighted and get back in the water.
Go right there. Don't hurt her gills. Okay.
Got her?
Got it.
Official weight, Andrew. What is it?
It is 5 even.
5 pounds
5
even,
Dude,
man.
that's a tub.
One last look at her, guys. Look at this.
Dude, that's a stud. I thought it
Tank.
was over 5 for
Tank.
sure.
I love seeing her jump out of the water like that.
I know.
All right, let's let her go. Oh, grab her tail. Oh,
There she goes.
There she
She's
goes.
just playing with us. She thought she was still caught.
Woo! The jig is where it's at right now, y'all. The jig, the gambler crawl. I'm not switching to another bait in my box just yet. All right, Andrew's switching it up a little bit. Show me what you just did.
I swapped the worm.
So you're still fishing with the mystery tackle box stuff,
Yeah,
right?
from a Texas rig style. The leg fork worm, I got 2 on it right off the bat. They quit hitting it. So now I rigged it wacky style and we're drop shotting with it. So
I think that'll do it. That'll do it.
I know that there's still a few more fish down there. It's just getting them to bite. You gotta switch it up. You gotta try new things.
Well, this current's definitely pulling. You see my line, it's already to you.
I know it.
And I just threw out.
TJ's direct. Took a swim, cooled off, and now we're gonna go to another ledge. Hopefully catch a few more. Let's go.
There he is.
No way.
Got him. Tank.
TJ's hooked up again, guys.
Right over the rocks, Andrew. As soon as I come over the rocks.
They're loving that jig. Tank, I should have been net, right?
Yeah, will you grab the net?
You bet.
Oh, he's not that big, but
Good one.
he's a good one.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
It's a largie, yep.
Yeah, good old largie.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. They
Look
are.
at his gill.
What's up with it? Oh, he's got old boogered up spots. Look at
Yeah.
that.
Interesting.
That's a good 1.5 too.
Nice.
1.5 maybe.
Yep, yep.
All right, that's 3.
Yeah.
You know what that means?
You're up on me.
I'm up on
We
you,
were
bro.
just about to leave too.
Yeah, we were. I
Just
think I
about
want to
leave
throw
this
one more time,
ledge.
actually.
Yeah, we'll throw a few more. I might put a jig on.
This jig is killing it, guys. Killing it. Oh, I'm gonna have to change it. He got one of my pinchers.
He got it.
Look at that.
Here, I'll get you another one down here. That gambler craw's doing work.
There it is, guys. That is it right there. And I ain't even gonna. I'm on. It's a little salty. As soon as I come through the rocks again.
Awesome. No way.
Nice one.
Dude,
Oh.
the jig is crazy.
Oh.
You want the net?
I don't know if he's swimming at me. I think he had it for too long. He might have it too deep. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one, guys.
Yep.
Oh,
Wow, another 3, bro.
another one.
Oh
Look
my
at
God.
this, guys. Look at this.
Another 3. Dude, I gotta put a jig on.
You're gonna have to do it.
I have to. They won't touch my drop shot.
Look at this, guys. Look at this.
Good one, man.
That's what I'm talking about, brother. I love coming to Gunnersville.
Wow.
I'm gonna let this guy go because I want to get back out on this ledge.
And I'm gonna retie a jig on. Beautiful, man. See him shoot down there?
Yes, sir. Thanks, bro.
Yep. There's one.
All right.
Got one.
I was just fixing to shoot a midday update and say how I was
We were
winning
just
by
about
2.
to move too.
Yeah, we were. Let's see what you got. Does this feel good?
I got a giant, bro.
Oh.
It's a white bass.
Oh, he caught a white bass. That don't count, right?
No, we could flame up. Cook you this for dinner.
That's a good one right there.
Ain't bad.
He gone. All right, guys, so I just want to give you a good midday update. We're still doing pretty good. We're on the same ledge. We're fixing to move to a different ledge. The bite has gotten to where it's few and far between, about 10, 15 minutes apart. We're still catching them on jigs, and there's tanks out here. And so we're gonna move around. We're gonna go to a few more ledges while the current is still being pulled and see if we can put a few more big ones in the boat. so that's it. What you got for me, Andrew?
We got a bunch of wings.
Yeah, I beat him 4-3.
And the bigs.
And the bigs. Well, Cody, thank you for the wings. She actually picked them up and met us here with them.
She did.
I appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check the video description below. I'm going to link Andrew Nordby's channel. It's called Fishing with Nordby. Y'all go subscribe to him. Check out. He's got a lot of cool fishing videos. He catches some tanks. Usually, this is the man with the tanks on the other end of the line, not me. But today, I just looked up and I got it.
He crushed him today.
I got him.
He crushed him.
But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.